Hey guys, today's video is going to be my first ever Sephora Playbox unboxing. If you've been on my channel a while, you know that I have done so many unboxing videos here, but I've never received this one before, and I don't know why. Okay, so I think this is $10 a month. Is it 10 or 12? Comes in this cute little box. What is this? This is a hashtag beauty goals, then versus now, skincare. This is really funny. Get 50 extra beauty insider points with your online or in-store purchase. Oh, so a little card. So that's cool. That's really cute. And then, oh, on the back here it says what's in the bag. Okay, all right. So what the bag looks like. I don't know if it looks the same every month or if it's different. This is super cute though. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is a sample of Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent. I've heard people talk about this, but I've never smelled it. So let's give it a whiff. Oh my gosh, this is cute. How do I do this? What do I do with this? What do I do with this? What is this? What do I do? Oh, this is the month's bonus, I guess. It says Scent from Above, Black Opium, Yves Saint Laurent, an intoxicating and invigorating blend featuring notes of high energy coffee, seductive vanilla, and sweet white flower. Hint, crack open the vial, you won't break it. The unique lid is made to flip upside down to close it back. Crack it open. Oh. Okay. I cracked it open, but I don't know how. That smells really good. It smells exactly like, hold on. What is that scent from Bath & Body Works? The red one? Hold on, I need to go wash my hands. It smells really good, but I don't want it all over my hands. It's still all over my hands, but it smells very similar to Forever Red from Bath & Body Works. Next thing is the Detox Dry Shampoo from Dry Bar. Let's read about this little guy. I've actually been to Dry Bar. I went there with some girls before Generation Beauty, I think it was. Generation Beauty. And I liked the way everyone else's hair came out, but I looked like a 50-year-old news reporter. I'll insert a picture of what my hair looked like. I didn't like it at all. It says it's a fan favorite dry shampoo that adds volume and absorbs dirt and oil between washes. So yeah, just a dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is my life, so I am super excited to try this out. All I can smell is that perfume right now, so I'm not gonna be able to smell anything else. Sephora Mud Mask, purifying and mattifying zinc and copper. A detoxifying mud mask that clarifies skin with zinc and copper. Why it's a classic. It says the highly effective mask uses minerals and mud to absorb excess sebum, which reduces the appearance of blemishes without over drying. It leaves skin soft, matte, and ultra clean. Plus, watching it change colors is so satisfying. Oh, it changes color. I'm just reading this right here, and it says this month marks 2 years of play by Sephora. Oh, so these are like all favorites, I guess, or like all classic products. Yes, they're all like classic products. Probably should have read that before I started taking things out of the bag. But yeah, I am super excited for this. I love face masks. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, it smells like green peppers. It smells like green peppers. Okay, it kind of does, but then there's like other scents, but the initial whiff that I got was green peppers. Something from Marc Jacobs. Is this a mascara? It is a velvety no clump mascara that creates voluminous lashes with a unique curvy brush. Let's check out this unique curvy brush. You know, I've seen it before, but I'm excited to try it. I've never tried a mascara from Marc Jacobs before. Let me know if you guys want me to bring back mascara Mondays. I might, because I would like to take care of my Monday videos. I might do that because I have a shit ton of mascaras that I haven't tried out yet. So let me know if you guys want to see that. Okay, next is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Trooper Black. I've never tried this before, but I've heard really great things about it. My current eyeliner that I use, somebody asked me that recently. Was it on Twitter? I don't know. Current one that I use is the Jordana Easy Liner. I think that's what it's called. It's a felt tip. I thought it would be a brush, but it's a felt tip. But I'm super excited to try this because like I said, I've heard really good things about this. Okay, and the last thing in the bag is the classic, is the Benefit Professional Primer. I've used this before and I love it. It's an oil-free priming balm that minimizes the look of pores and controls shine all day. That's everything that is in my Sephora Play bag, box, whatever you want to call it, for the month of May. I'm super excited. I'm excited to try this dry shampoo. I'm excited to try the mascara. The eyeliner I've heard nothing but good things about. Benefit Professional, I've used this before and I really like it. Whoa, as I drop everything. Super excited to try this mask. The perfume, I like the way it smells. I wish it came in better packaging. But yeah, overall, I'm excited for this. I feel like it's gonna be like any monthly subscription service. You know, you need to get it a couple times to really get a feel for if it's worth it. If you guys get this bag or have gotten this bag in the past, you should comment down below and let me know your experience with it, because I've only seen, honestly, I think one video, maybe I've seen 2 videos of people talking about the subscription service. I know it exists, but I've just never watched videos, or like the people that I'm subscribed to don't get this. So yeah, if you had experience with this subscription service, please comment down below and let me know. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.